watching The Scene at 6 on the Channel 4 News.
He loves his trains like other boys love fishing and swimming. And today, a 12-year-old Pegram boy got the ride of his life. James Lewis with more on the train boy.
That may sound like noise to you and me, but to this 12-year-old, it's music, it's love, it's trains.
They think I'm crazy for liking them.
If you're out by Pegram Crossing, you might see DJ Hutcherson and his mom, Pat, standing beside the tracks, waving to the trains. Sometimes at 2 in the morning. Don't you have other things to do?
I've got lots of other things to do. That's his passion, and he's a good boy. That's what we do. When he hears a train, he says, let's go, and we go.
We spoke with CSX Railroad, and without telling DJ why, drove him into Nashville for a closer look. Would you like to ride on one?
Yeah.
How about in a locomotive?
I'd love to.
Well, let's go do it. Let's go do it. And so we did. Up into train number R121, a huge diesel-electric pulling 16 freight cars. Engineer Don Stonecipher showed DJ the ropes.
Okay, you want to blow the whistle at the crossing. Just mash this button right here.
We're here now.
Yeah. Now, you mash it.
He doesn't say a lot, but you can tell this is one.
Talk to us on the scanner.
At 12 years old, DJ has a lot of playing to do before he settles down to work. But for now, it's time to seize the moment and enjoy it.
I'm going to go home and brag.
James Lewis, the Channel 4 News.
And yes, he says when he grows up, he hopes to be an engineer. But his mom says she's waiting to see what happens when DJ discovers girls.